Hello, my dear friends. Are you trying to claim inheritance in India? And you are kind of foxed at hearing terms like succession certificate, legal heirship certificate. Some people are asked for surviving membership certificate. Some people want a letter of administration. So, what are these really? And what is the difference? Let me quickly throw a light. So, anybody who is trying to claim an inheritance in India, to, the government and the courts make sure that there is no fraud happening and that you are indeed the rightful legal successor to these assets. So all movable and immovable assets, you have to furnish or submit to the authorities the rightful document establishing you as the owner. So succession certificate and legal heirship certificate are two distinct documents. Succession certificate is only for movable property, and that is when you give it to the banks and which you obtain from a competent court of law that grants this certificate. And after you get the certificate, you can go to the bank and get your deposits. But the court makes sure it does all its verifications, all its checks to establish you as the rightful claimant to those assets. So this is for movable assets. Legal heirship certificate, which sounds similar, is not. That is for immovable assets, which is you have to be identified, you and other legal heirs, all of the legal heirs for a particular deceased person's estate have to be identified as the rightful legal heirs from the competent authorities. After this, they check your documents, they do your identification, and only then you can transfer that asset or that immovable property in your name. So legal heirship and succession certificate are two distinct instruments. One is for movable, one is for immovable. Surviving membership certificate is simply the name for legal heirship certificate. It is in the state of Delhi. Letter of administration is for Maharashtra, down south, West Bengal. All of them need a legal heirship certificate. So to succeed into your father's or mother's estate, you would be needing these certificates. But the good news is that you do not have to travel to India. You simply can actually hire a competent professional who can actually get these certificates for you in no time. So in case there is further information required, you can write to us for more guidance on these subjects. But these basically all are needed if you have property in India, if you have inheritance in India. Thank you.